Hello again, everyone. Aditi Dubey here. Today, we are stepping out of the cell and into the neighborhood, the tumor microenvironment. So far, we have been laser focused on cancer cells themselves, their mutations, their wild cell cycle. But here is the thing, cancer doesn't work alone. It's not a solo act, it's a whole community project gone wrong. The tumor microenvironment is the space around a tumor, and it's not just a backdrop, it's an active player in helping cancer grow. Let's explore this shady neighborhood and see what's going on. So, what is the tumor microenvironment? It's everything surrounding the cancer cells, normal cells, blood vessels, immune cells, even the Golgi matrix that holds it all together. In a healthy body, these neighbors work for the greater good, keeping tissues in check, delivering nutrients, fighting off trouble. But when a tumor moves in, it flips the script. It's not just sitting there, it's interacting with this neighborhood, twisting it to serve its own needs. Think of cancer cells as the new bosses in the town, barking orders and reshaping the place to fuel their takeover. How does this work? Let's break it down. Cancer cells start with nearby normal cells like fibroblasts, which usually help repair wounds and turn them into accomplices. These fibroblasts start pumping out signals and materials that help the tumor grow bigger and tougher. Then there is the blood vessels. Tumors need food and oxygen, so they trick the body into building new highways, blood vessels, right to their doorsteps. And the immune cells? You would think they would be the cops busting this operation, but cancer is sneaky. It sends out signals to confuse or quiet them down, turning potential enemies into bystanders, or worse, helpers. It's like cancer's running a con, convincing the neighborhood to roll out the red carpet instead of kicking it out. That's the wild part. Cancer tricks the body into supporting its survival. It's not just growing on its own, it's hijacking the system. It releases chemicals to dull the immune response, so those T cells that should attack just shrug and walk away. It manipulates blood vessels growth to keep itself fed, even when the body resources are stretched thin. It's a master of deception, making the microenvironments its personal cheer squad. This is why cancer is so tough to beat. It's not fighting alone, it's got the whole block on its payroll. Here is a way to picture it. Imagine a tumor as a corrupt city. At the center, you have got the cancer cells, the shady mayor and their cronies, calling the shots. Around them, the normal cells are like citizens who have been bribed or bullied into building roads, supplying goods, and ignoring the chaos. Blood vessels are the highways rerouted to serve the city's greed. Immune cells? They are the cops who have been paid off to look the other way. This corrupt city doesn't just sit there, it expands, taking over more territory, bending everything around to its will. That's the tumor microenvironment, a thriving, twisted ecosystem where cancer's the kingpin. This neighborhood dynamic changes how we think about fighting cancer. It's not enough to target the tumor. We have got to disrupt its allies too. In the lab, I spent hours staring at these interactions, wondering how we can flip the script back. Next time, we'll talk about one of those tricks, angiogenesis, and how cancer builds its supply lines. For now, imagine that corrupt city in your mind. How do we take it down? That's the question keeping me up at night. See you soon.